Hello everyone, welcome to Edu Yourself. In this video, we are going to see how to see the list of statuses available in JIRA. Alright, let me navigate directly to the JIRA environment. Alright, where we can see the statuses. Let me navigate to the second tab. Alright, now here I am creating the workflow. And on the workflow, we can see the statuses and the transitions, right? The boxes that we are seeing open in progress, we can call them as statuses. Now, in the JIRA environment, we create n number of new statuses which are not given by default by JIRA. Now, if we create those statuses where we can see all the list of statuses that was ever created in the JIRA instance. Now, imagine that I want to quickly create one of the new status, and before that I will show you where we can navigate in order to see the statuses that was created in the JIRA instance. On your keyboard, if you click on the full stop, a search bar will be opened so that we can directly use the word statuses and we can take to the global level statuses page. And if you want to navigate manually, you can click on the admin coggle. And in the admin coggle, you can click on issues. And in the left side tab, if you navigate little bit lower, you can see the word statuses right below the issue attributes heading. And if you click on the statuses, you can see all the statuses that was ever created in the JIRA instances. It might be given by JIRA or it might be the custom statuses which we create by our own. Alright, now coming back to the workflow example, here I want to create one of the custom status which was not given by JIRA. By clicking on add status, I want to use the word achieved instead of done or instead of completed. And when I paste the new status, I clearly see it is a new status. So by clicking on it, it will be added to the JIRA instance so that going forward, whenever I try to enter the keyword ACH, I can directly see the word achieved. Now let me click on the workflow and let me enter the category to done. Let me click on create. Let me do the mapping in the way that I want. And let me give the transition name and let me click on add. Alright, now forget about the workflow where we have already seen how to create the workflow in one of the previous video. So now as part of this video, we are going to see the newly created statuses or maybe the whole list of statuses that was created in the JIRA instance till now, right? Now we have added the status called achieved. So directly let me navigate to the first tab where we are in the global statuses page. If I do a quick page refresh, let's see whether the achieved status has been added or not. I clearly see on the top of the at the bottom of the page, I can see the newly created status achieved. So this is the place where we can see the statuses which were created in the JIRA instances. And now before ending this topic, let's quickly understand the page and the concept. Alright, now we can see the name of the statuses in the left side and we can see the workflow status category. Now what is the workflow status category? Alright, the workflow status categories are nothing but the status groups for your statuses. Like we do have the default 3 statuses in JIRA. We do have to do, we do have in progress, and then we do have the third status as done. Basically these are the 3 statuses given by JIRA by default, and probably we can see these 3 statuses on the sprint board. If I click on the project of any Scrum board and if I navigate to the active sprints, we can see the status categories by default given by JIRA. They are to do, in progress, and done. So whenever we create a new status, we can map to any one of the category given by JIRA. And then we clearly see the workflow status achieved has been used by how many projects? I mean the project workflows. We can see the achieved status has been mapped with one workflow, which is example workflow, right? Where we have seen in the example earlier. And then if we really would like to order the workflow statuses, in the ascending order or the descending order, we can make an use of the arrow marks. And if we want to do some kind of edits, if we want to change the name of the status or if we want to change the category, we can make an use of the edit button in the global statuses page. If you find the video helpful, please like the video and share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to Ed Yourself, and I see you all in the upcoming videos with many more good videos shortly. Thank you.